You say that time travel is possible. Now I can only assume that you mean going backwards in time. This is not technically possible. It is if you're dealing with tachyons. This is because tachyons on paper, these are only on paper. They look pretty good on paper too. That these are the only objects that theoretically can travel faster than light. Now, for the time being, light is a set light is a constant. It is the fastest you can get. Um, Nothing can travel faster than light. This is because photons, which is the subatomic particles that make up light, they have no mass, meaning that they can go as fast as they want. Um, Now, while traveling backwards in time is not possible, traveling forwards in time also, you can't really travel forwards from our current perspective in the fourth dimension, which is time, because from our perspective it hasn't happened yet. But you can slow down time to an extent, not physically slow down time. This is You can kind of do it when your adrenaline is pumping and as you're taking in more frames per second. Normally we take in 24, sometimes we'll take in 36 or 48 time, then apparently, like to us, it slows down, resulting in faster reaction times. Um, but we can slow down time, or rather speed ourselves up great amounts to people on Earth. And this is achieved by uh, going fast. It's the simplest way to put it. This theory was proved by putting an atomic clock in a plane and having one on the ground, and they were set to the exact same time. And since atomic clocks only lose about a millionth of a second every 1 billion years, they're pretty accurate. Um, so they had the one on the ground going, they had the one in the plane going. The plane went for however long. When the plane landed, they compared the times, and the one on the plane was a little bit less. It was farther back in time than the one on the ground. And this is because since the plane was moving faster, the world around it was moving slower, I suppose. And it was moving. No. Yes, I'm confusing myself. I obviously am not a professional in this field, but uh, the plane was moving faster in the fourth dimension than the ground than the grounded clock. Um, Now, what this means is that if you can travel extremely fast, you can, in theory, you can travel great distances without without aging as much as you normally would. So, if you travel at say 50% the speed of light for 10 years, uh, and this is just going off an estimate, this is probably way off, but if you travel 50% the speed of light for 10 years, on Earth, say 200 years would have passed. Now this is an exponential increase, so I can't think of how to explain it. Exponential increase, but it is as one value increases by a set amount, the other value increases by a multiplicative. Um, so you cannot travel backwards or forwards in time although you can slow down time as a parent to your surroundings.